There are 4 core principles in the Shaw method. The first principle is the relationship between your head, neck and back, which is your body alignment, is the most important factor in affecting your performance. So when your head and neck and back are in the correct alignment, you'll feel more efficiency of movement, but you'll feel more awareness of your arms and legs. The second principle is to do with the difference between propulsion and direction. Propulsion is about the movements that make you move forward, but direction are the movements that steer you. And in the Shaw method, you'll learn how to get the most out of your propulsive movements by combining it with thought of direction. The third principle in the Shaw method is to do with breathing. And one of the most important discoveries that I made in terms of my swimming was learning never to take a breath, but to allow the air to come in. Rather than gasping, it's much more of a passive breath. And if you breathe passively, stroke becomes much more sustainable. And then the fourth principle, which is a foundational skill of the Shaw method, is really enjoying the journey, connecting to the process, understanding what you're doing, why you're doing, in the knowledge that repetition is the mother of skill. One of the biggest obstacles that people have in learning the front crawl is they overestimate the amount of effort that's necessary. But actually, if you're 40, 50, 60, 70, or even 80, if you learn to move mindfully, understand the movements that are required, it's very, very accessible. So the biggest obstacle sometimes to learning the front crawl is overestimating the amount of effort that's required. So when you learn the technique, you'll be really surprised on how easy it can become.